Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to tag photos on LinkedIn. This is a great way to give credit to colleagues, highlight team members, or simply connect with the people featured in your posts. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and navigate to linkedin.com. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your LinkedIn homepage where you can see all your feed and connections. Now, on your homepage, look for the section that says Start a Post. This is typically located near the top of your feed and is where you begin creating any new content. Right underneath that, you'll see several options for what type of content you want to share. Click on Photo to proceed with uploading an image to your post. A window will pop up allowing you to browse your device for the image you want to share. Go ahead and select the photo you'd like to upload and confirm your selection. The photo will then begin uploading to LinkedIn. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, this might take a moment, so just be patient while it processes. Once the photo has successfully uploaded, take a look just below the image. You'll notice a small person icon. This icon is specifically designed for tagging people in your photos. Click on this person icon to start the tagging process. This feature is incredibly useful when you want to highlight someone in the image or acknowledge their presence in the moment you've captured. After clicking the person icon, a text field will appear where you can type. Here, input the name of the person you want to tag on that photo. As you start typing, LinkedIn will suggest profiles that match the name you're entering. This makes it easy to find the exact person you're looking for, especially if they're already in your connections. Once you see the correct profile appear in the suggestions, click on it to select that person. Then click the Add button to confirm the tag. This officially tags that person in your photo, and they'll receive a notification about being mentioned in your post. You can repeat this process if you need to tag multiple people in the same photo. After you've finished tagging everyone you want to include, click Next. This will take you to the final step where you can add any additional text or context to your post. Here you can write a caption, share your thoughts, or provide more details about the photo. Finally, when you're satisfied with everything, click Post. Your photo will now be published to your LinkedIn feed with all the tagged individuals included, and that's it. You've successfully tagged photos on LinkedIn, making your posts more interactive and connected. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.